Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manage cryptocurrency with PayPal. While you cannot directly add an external crypto wallet, PayPal offers integrated services for buying, selling, and holding digital assets. This guide will help you understand how to use these features effectively. PayPal supports 4 major cryptocurrencies, allowing you to engage with the market directly through your account. We will cover the steps to get started and important considerations for your crypto journey. PayPal currently supports 4 popular cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. You can begin your crypto journey with a minimum purchase of just $1, making it accessible for many. It is important to note that there are transaction fees for both buying and selling these digital assets. All your cryptocurrency holdings are securely managed directly within your PayPal account balance, providing a streamlined experience. To buy or sell cryptocurrency, simply navigate to the crypto section in your PayPal app or on the website. From there, you can easily select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to trade. You will then enter the desired amount, either in United States dollars or in units of the cryptocurrency itself. Always remember to carefully review the transaction details, including any associated fees and the current exchange rate, before confirming your purchase or sale. It is crucial to remember that PayPal does not currently allow you to transfer cryptocurrency to or from external wallets. All crypto activity remains within the PayPal ecosystem. Also, be aware that any profits from your crypto transactions on PayPal may be subject to capital gains taxes, so consult a tax professional. Always understand the inherent risks of cryptocurrency investments. Finally, ensure your PayPal account is fully verified to access these crypto features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.